In the last video, we learned how loads are transferred from a structure down to the foundation. But in this video, we are going to calculate the area of the foundation. To do that, we need the overall loads coming from the building down to the foundation, and we need the bearing capacity of the soil. So the force has been given as 200 kilonewton, the bearing capacity as 150 kilonewton per meter square. But we know that area is equals to pulse over pressure, which implies that our area is going to be equals to the force that's been given in this building as 200 kilonewton. We are going to divide it by the pressure that has been given, which is the soil bearing capacity, which is 150 kilonewton per meter square. Then you are going to say this will imply that our area will be equals to, if you divide 200 by 150, you will have 1.33 meter square, which is a required area for this footing to be able to transmit the load into the soil safely. But the key thing to note is area means we have length and the width. So the width of this foundation goes like this. So this is the length of the foundation, and this is the width of the foundation. So we need to know the length and the width why we have this area. But we know from mathematics that area is equals to length times width. But for a square footing where the length is supposed to be, it means that area will be equals to L squared, which is length times length. This will imply that our length here will be equals to the square root of the area. Therefore, length will be equals to the square root of the area, which is 1.33, which will imply that the length will be equals to 1.15 meters. Now we can round up this to 1.2 meters. Therefore, the length of our footing will be equals to 1.2 meters for footing, which has been covered. If you did find this video helpful, please support our channel by subscribing. Thank you.